Hello friends, I hope you are looking a best key light. So you have clicked this video. In this video we will discuss key light which are best sold and achieved top rated reviews from customers. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, please check the description box in the below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Roleno LED Video Lighting Kits. This soft light provided from Roleno is perfect for smaller areas and is another similar product. Go from 0 to 100% with the adjustable brightness setting and always look flawless for your audience with a temperature range of 3200K 5600K. It has a built-in battery with a lifespan of 90 to 120 minutes for remote shooting locations, and the 2-foot-long cord lets you power it for even longer periods. Using the tripod that's included in the kit, it only takes a few minutes to set this light up without any complications. Roleno is the next best Elgato Key Light alternative for Twitch streamers who want a semi-professional product at an even cheaper price. With an angle adjustment of 0 to 180 degrees, no matter where you place this light, you can easily get your lighting set up in no time. Your audience will be impressed with just how bright this light gets. About this item. Full-featured photography assistance, color temperature, 3200K 5600K, and brightness, 0 to 100% can be adjusted according to the environment you need. CRI 95 Plus could help you achieve accurate color rendition and HD effect. Especially for portraits and commodities. Good adjustability, more stable and safe. The lock function can adjust the height from 19 inches to 75 inches, providing fast precision height adjustment. The two light brackets are made of aluminum alloy, which is not easy to break, so that it is capable of heavy work. High-performance auxiliary packages. The handbag made of Oxford fabric and PE foam material is practical and protective. Because of the portability of the equipment, carrying a durable handbag to transport and protect the equipment easily and bring you to explore the world of photography. Number 2. Viltrox TwoPacks LED Video Light Kit. The Viltrox VL200T is another excellent option that's ready to light up any shooting situation. It comes equipped with 96PC, 3300K, yellow, 96PC, 5600K, white, SMD lamp beads to get you the best light possible. Furthermore, the bicolor LEDs allow for a brightness adjustment of 20 to 100%. The lightweight design makes it extremely portable. It lets you swap between using a power cord for wired use and battery power for locations without a plug. If you do want to move it to a different location, the wireless remote has an excellent range of up to 20 meters. Just like the Dazzne D50, the Viltrox VL200T can be bought in a 2-pack all-in-one kit. This includes all the extras you need at an even cheaper price than what you would pay for them separately. Unlike the previous model, the VL200T also comes with an additional travel bag. If you prefer to unpack your setup after streaming or like to switch up locations, this is the ideal key light for you. About this item. High performance, 192 high-quality LED beads, each panel has 30W of power, high brightness and wide color temperature range, high color rendering index 95 plus of beads will help you capture the true color of the subjects when shooting. Can meet your needs for different brightness and color temperature in different occasions, fully support your photography creativity. Integrated a soft light plate, so the light is softer and non-dazzling, provide better protection for subjects' eyes. Number 3. DAZN Desk Mount LED Video Light. The Dazzne D50 LED panel is the next best alternative to the Elgato Key Light. It allows you to adjust your brightness from 0 to 100%, and thanks to the high-quality 45W bulb that ranges from 3000K warm to 8000K cool, it's easy to get the most of your picture. The wireless remote makes it effortless to configure the temperature settings. Due to having all the essential buttons, you can adjust the brightness right from your seat without interrupting your live game. To make things even more user-friendly, all of the settings are visible on the LED screen. The 2-pack below includes an all-in-one kit, and the setup is very similar to the Elgato. Included are the light panels, remote, and C-clamp stand, so you can clip it to the back of your desk. Because of this, the Dazzne D50 performs practically the same job as the Elgato at a fraction of the cost. It's the perfect solution to a more visually appealing stream. About this item. Ultra brightness video light, 45W output power plus 3600 LM plus 15.4 inches super larger panel light. Master and slave function, by remote control, 48 channels, 6 groups. In the same channel and same group, any light can be a master to control other lights. Versatile color temperature and LCD display. By color temperature, video light variables from a warm 3000K to a white 8000K brightness can be changed from 0% to 100%. LCD displays show clear brightness and color temperature readings, letting you operate easily and work more effectively. Number 4. Elgato Key Light. The best overall lighting setup for live streaming is when you configure 2 different Elgato key lights in a 3-point lighting setup, one configured as a key light, while the other functions as a fill light. The biggest and most unique advantage of this Elgato key light setup is that they work perfectly with the Stream Deck, have a desk mount, and are equipped with an adjustable color temperature and brightness. We got ourselves 2 different Elgato Key Light and configured them in a 3-point lighting setup, one configured as a key light, while the other functioned as a fill light. Because the Elgato Key Light is compatible and adjustable with the Elgato Stream Deck, we opted for this setup. However, a more low-budget solution would be to use a standard desk lamp as your fill light. About this item. App-enabled, adjust settings via your screen for accurate real-time feedback. Ultra bright and adjustable 2800 lumens and fully dimmable. Versatile color temperature, 2900 7000K produces cold through warm white. Glare-free diffusion, opal glass face ensures balanced lighting. Box contents, 1x key light, power supply, steel desk mount, quick start guide. Pros. Compatible with the Stream Desk. Has a dedicated desk mount. Adjustable color temperature. Adjustable brightness. Compact. Number 5. Fovitec 3-Light Fluorescent Studio Lighting Kit. For a content creator who is heavily involved in photography, we recommend checking out the Fovitec 3-Light Lighting Kit. It requires a lot of space, but other than that, it is perfect for both live streaming and photography as each lamp is individually adjustable in terms of brightness and color. About this item. Contains 2 5-socket heads, 2 20x28 softboxes, 1 single socket head with a built-in softbox, 11 45W fluorescent lamps, 3 7/6 light stands, 1 4.5 boom stand, and 1 carrying bag. Suitable for a wide variety of photo and video applications such as live streaming, interviews, online tutorials, and more. Offers easy-to-use lighting controls for maximum versatility and light quality. Provides quick mastering for both beginners and professionals, making it ideal for large or small projects. Offers 5500K color temperature specifications for optimal daylight clarity, exceptional color accuracy. Pros. Suitable for medium or big areas. Include softboxes. Perfect for photography. Many adjustment options. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on this video. Don't forget to press the notification bell icon to get new update videos. Also check the description box for products link.